I went into this thinking Udio was just another Suno copy. About 30 minutes later, I wasn't so sure anymore. The weird part is, the first song Udio made wasn't even my favorite. It was the third one. That's when I realized I was judging it the wrong way. So I stopped trying to make the perfect song. I started making songs I'd actually listen to. Different genres, different moods, some with lyrics, some completely instrumental. That's when Udio started making sense. The first thing I noticed was how much control it gives you, not all at once. You kind of discover it while you're using it. I'd change one section, generate another version, keep the chorus, replace the verse. Before I knew it, I was spending way more time editing than generating, which honestly surprised me. Then something annoyed me. A couple of tracks sounded incredible until the vocals kicked in. Not bad, just not as natural as I was hoping. The funny thing is, the next generation would sound completely different. That's AI music in a nutshell. You learn pretty quickly not to judge the platform based on one song. One feature I kept coming back to was extending tracks. Instead of throwing away a song that was almost good, I could keep building on it. That ended up saving me a lot of generations. Now everybody asks the same question. Is it better than Suno? Honestly, sometimes. For songs where I wanted more control over the final result, I kept reaching for Udio. When I just wanted something fast and catchy, Suno usually got me there quicker. Neither one won every single time. That's probably the biggest surprise after using both. As for paying, I'd only upgrade if you're creating music regularly. If you're just experimenting, the free version is enough to figure out whether this style of workflow even fits you. So, is Udio AI better than Suno? I don't think that's really the right question. I'd ask which one matches the way you like to create, because after switching back and forth for a few days, I realized I wasn't picking the better tool. I was picking the better tool for that particular song.